I have here a rubber band, a paper clip, a rubber band, another paper clip, and the bottom of that paper clip is made into slightly sort of into a hook, and it goes through part of the plastic bag so that I can support dominoes from the plastic bag. Now, I make a measurement by holding the system appropriately near the ruler, and I measure the two positions on the ruler, one where the top of the rubber band, one the position of the top of the rubber band, the other the position of the bottom of the rubber band. Then I add a domino to the bag, and got to loosen up that opening a little bit. Okay, and now the rubber band is longer than it was. Well, I do the same thing. Measure the top, measure the bottom of the rubber band, so that I'll be able to calculate the length of the rubber band and make sure I understand that's when there's one domino in the bag. Then I put another domino in the bag, gets longer, do the measurement again. Then I do a third, get longer, and a fourth, and a fifth. Come on, rotate around here. Okay, and put that in there, and I get those measurements. So that's all very simple, and those measurements are reported. Each line of one line for each number of dominoes. When you got 0 dominoes, that is just the bag, you report the two measurements and the length, and the units in which you've made the measurement. Then for 1 domino, same thing. For 2 dominoes, same thing. Our force unit is going to be the weight of a domino. Gravity pulls down on the domino, whatever number of dominoes are here. The rubber band has to exert a tension force that's sufficient to support that weight, so that the domino weight is going to be our unit of weight, of force, for the beginning of the course. Now that can be converted to SI units. All we've got to do is weigh the dominoes using some SI approved measuring device. But the point is that your force is going to be expressed in some system of units, but no system is really sacred. SI is the system that we most often use, but other units can be converted to SI units. So we're going to start again with the arbitrary domino unit, which has the advantage that it's not really all that certain, because not all dominoes have the same mass. As a matter of fact, my dominoes have more mass than your dominoes. And as we'll see in the course, weight is the force exerted on a mass by gravity at the surface of the Earth, or at the surface of any planet, or at any point on that planet. And that is going to be proportional to mass. In other words, at any given point, the weight is going to be proportional to the mass of the domino. Kind of something you want to start thinking about. Big difference between mass and weight. Weight is what gravity does to mass.